That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign, you know he's lying.
Let's jump into today's review. I forgot to introduce myself because this wig got me losing my mind. Let's back it up, back it up.
That's his trick. Say his name 3 times.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig. We're going to be using my favorite products. We're going to be testing out some new products by Ebin. A no baby hair look. If that sounds good to you guys, stick around.
Make you think he deserves some of your time.
Today's hair sponsor is RPGshow. We love RPGshow. If you know anything about RPGshow, you know they have been around forever. We love RPGshow. I'm not gonna gatekeep any longer. Let me just tell you what I got installed. What I have installed is a 20-inch 13x6 tinted Swiss lace. It's giving HD, so it's tinted and it matches your skin tone. It looks like it's just melted on. I have the silky texture. It's giving body wave. I know for a fact that you could definitely wear this wig straight and it'll look amazing. Style that I have is Dominic 025.
Guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes a chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror. And watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if there was love. If it was love.
Yo, this wig looks so good on me already. Oh my god, I haven't even installed her. Just gonna push the hair out of our face. I'm gonna be going in with my sticky little secret protector, okay? And the glue. First things first, I'm going to clean the hairline. Where I'm going to put the product, we need to remove. Glue we're going in with. Oh yeah, we want to use the Skin Protect. I'm just gonna spray it on my fingertip. I'm in the middle of packing and moving, so realistically, I don't need my wig coming up. I want to just put her on and secure her for a few days. So that's the install that I'm going to go for. I'm going to be wearing this wig for a few days. When you guys see this, I probably will have already been in the new house. So yeah, I need to keep my wig on. I'm going to put a couple coats for sure. Just clip that out of your way. I'm gonna link the glue if you guys want to pick this up. It is my favorite glue now, and I have sensitive skin and I really like using this glue because it doesn't cause any allergic reactions to my skin. I don't break out because of this. Okay, so just let it dry clear. You can see it's already dry and clear, so we're just gonna wait a couple minutes and then it's gonna dry and then we're gonna put her on. Let's give it a go.
Ever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why wait?
Pushing the hair into the glue.
I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this.
I'm pressing it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this portion here by my ear.
In a place, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
What I'm going to go in with, because I want this wig to go nowhere, I'm going to go in with this water resistant Ebon spray. I'm going to use this adhesive spray as the melt. I do have the lace melting spray, but I feel like this one works better. And clean her up. It's not. We don't want those sideburns to move whatsoever. The hair feels really soft, so I'm really happy with that. Remember, this is Curtain Bangs wig, so did come in the middle part. We're gonna leave it like that.
Never get it wrong, it's always
We're gonna use some wax stick. When I set the hair, I like to spray some hairspray, whichever one I'm using at the time, on top of the wax stick. Before we proceed, we need to define the part. We're gonna go in with my favorite scalp palette.
But don't mistake this
Go in with a lighter hairspray.
dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Yeah, this is gonna be a really pretty one for the summer, y'all. Y'all better get your cards ready. So I'm gonna finish curling this side and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of BioSilk. What I like to do is rub it on my skin first and then whatever's left, then go in on the hair. I'm starting to accept that hairspray after you curl your hair is your friend. It's not your enemy. Even if the hair becomes a little more stiff, holds that style in place. Like, how else am I supposed to do that? Everything's gonna be in the description box, and I noticed that some people don't know how to find the description box. You just have to click like where it says more. You'll click that and then everything else is gonna open up. So those of you who don't know how to find the link in the description box underneath the title, okay? I don't want you guys to miss out on this unit. She is so pretty. The hair color is definitely giving highlights. 200% density. It's not thin and it's the right amount. Your hands just runs right through it. I don't want her to be dry and stiff. I even put hairspray on the wig and it still has so much bounce. You guys can tell how silky this wig is. It is beautiful. We have the dark ombre with the bright highlights. I didn't do anything. This is a fresh out of the box install, but I'm not even playing with y'all. I'm gonna tone this wig. I'm definitely gonna hit it with some purple shampoo. That's gonna lighten up these highlights, but it's a very beautiful Beyonce color. I know I've said this a lot in my reviews, like, oh, it's giving Beyonce. No, girl, this is definitely giving Beyonce. Do you see her? Like, who is she? Talk to me nice, like, don't play with me. Guys, I love it. No baby hair look. All we did was some sideburns and it's just giving boss. It's giving that's her hair and nobody can tell me differently. I got a whole new attitude now that I have this wig on. Beyonce? I better stop. Beyonce? Yeah, no, Beyonce rather than Beyonce. That does not have a ring to it. A true style length 20-inch, sitting where it's supposed to on me is like chef's kiss. I love the little curtain bang moment here. If I really wanted this wig to be super layered, I would go ahead and do some more face framing layers here, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now because I think it's just really pretty the way that it is. That deep 13x6 part, look at that, you guys. You can go all the way back. And let me get up close so you guys can see the meltdown, okay? Because she's giving, period. Miss Rosh Posh herself done did it again with that lace glue because every time she just does it. Definitely go pick up everything in this video. Wig is nice, the hair glue is nice, the lace spray is nice, the makeup is nice, everything is nice. That means you have to buy everything because you want to look nice too. If you want to look nice, definitely check out the link in the description box. This wig is definitely caviarkezzy approved. Like, honey, let me spin around so you guys can see the back. Like, the highlights is giving, oh my god. This is my summer wig, okay? All summer long, when I'm not filming hair reviews, I'm gonna be wearing this wig. That's it, that's all. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. Don't forget to leave comments because that's how you're gonna have a good chance on winning giveaways. They're not always gonna be MVP giveaways, but you guys know the MVPs always gets like something special. So either they get like a choice pick or just more value for the giveaway. You know, I look out for you guys who check for me. So if you look out for me, I look out for you. Scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, baby. Okay, guys, I gotta go for real this time. Bye.